Hello everyone, welcome back to TixJams. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off USB debugging on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the setting app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on developer options. Once you are in developer options, scroll down until you find the debugging section. Here, you will see the USB debugging option. If USB debugging is currently enabled, simply tap the toggle switch next to it and to turn it off. Confirm the action if a message appears on your screen. Once the toggle is turned off, USB debugging will be disabled on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can turn off USB debugging on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TixJams for more helpful tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.